students' organization, NANSO. Comrade Emmanuel Paulus, former Leadership Development Program. Jasmine Motinga, political science graduate and a politics intellect. Desiree Karamata, our first year political science student. Comrade Thaddeus Shivivona, member of the Soccer Party Youth Central Committee, as well as the leader assigned of Commerce Region. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to also observe the presence of Comrade Eleni Shilongo, member of the Soccer Party Youth Central Committee, as well as a member of the National Executive Committee, serving as the Secretary of International Affairs. I would also like to acknowledge the team from Konrad Adenauer Stifter, Mr. Dennis Zaire, the Senior Program Manager of Konrad Adenauer Stifter Foundation. Allow me to also acknowledge the presence of Mr. David Schombeck, a youth, and also the chapter coordinator of the Young Leadership Initiative YALI, and a political science graduate. Ladies and gentlemen, let me take you through today's program. So first, we are going to have the welcoming remarks by the President of the Union Political Science Society, Ms. Chloe Ricketts. Ms. Chloe Ricketts.